and organizational behavior effectiveness, they extended this Hofstede model and they give us more dimension. This is 9 dimensions. Power distance, we already talked about. Uncertainty avoidance, assertiveness, human orientation, how much empathic you are to the human, or you are just, you look at your employees as an object or as a human. Future orientation, individual collectivism, individualism versus collectivism, gender differences, like gender role. If you have women boss, what would be your reaction? Would you accept that or not? In group collectivism, would you like to work in teams or groups? Performance orientation as well. All right. So not only when you are having decision in globalization, when you are at the stage of the top level management state and you are making a decision, so not only you need to see what kind of organization I am in, right, where I am working, I should also understand the legal and the economic environment over there, the political system over there. I must know the culture as well, which kind of people are there, and I need to respect their tradition and all those stuff, right? And then I should make decision. So simple perspective is, what should I do? When in Rome, do as Romans do. So however, Hofstede and Globe studies will help you to alert managers to potential problems that might emerge due to cultural differences. Right? So Hofstede and Globe studies, which is the extension of Hofstede model, they will help you to make a better decisions. But remember, when you are in a company, when you are in a foreign company and you are deciding something, so do as Romans do. All right? So let's take a break, 5 minutes, and then we start managing diversity. All right? Let's take a 5 minutes break. Okay, class. Welcome back after the break. Everybody here?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, so up till now we have discussed the globalization, its impact, its pros and cons, and then how we make a good decision in globalization. And now we extend our uh, study to another concept which is called diversity. And in this lecture, we will first understand what is diversity and then we go for how we can manage diversity. So, what is diversity? Specifically, workforce diversity. We are not talking about the national or country's diversity because we are managers and we would be working in an organization. So, we need to see the workforce diversity, which means the way in which people in an organization are different from and similar to one another. So diversity is one of the hot topic, one of the most popular topic in the last 2 decades, right? So it affects your organizational decisions as well, right? But first of all, let's talk about the types of diversity. So there are surface level diversity and there is deep level diversity. So diversity in simple sense means the demographic characteristics of your workforce, which mean age, gender, race, right? Ethnicity. So there are two types of diversity: surface level diversity, so which are easily perceived differences that may trigger certain stereotypes, but that do not necessarily reflect how people think. So when you enter the organization and you see the black man is working, the brown man is working, the yellow man is working, and white man is working, so it creates a surface level diversity. Okay, what's going on here? And if you are black, your intention is go to a black person and talk to it. And if you are brown, you go to the brown person who is working over there and talk to him. If you are a white, obviously you will go to the white person, because you perceive that okay, maybe I'm a white, he will not give me some that much appropriate time, but maybe my this on the basis of race, the white man gonna give me good treatment. Or if you are female, if in an office there are males and females are working, you go to the office and you see that okay, females are more or females are less, so if I have some issue I should talk to some females. So this is called surface level diversity. What is deep level diversity? Which means differences in value, personalities, and work preferences. Right? So these deep level differences can affect the way people view organizational work, reward, communications, promotions, leaders, this kind of stuff. If there is a male and female, so there is no differences in there. If she got the credibility, she would be promoted. If she got targets met, she got bonuses, remuneration, right? She has the power to negotiate as well. Similarly, there are others work preferences as well. Nowadays, we have seen a lot of countries have made laws for LGBT communities to give them a quota for employments and all the stuff. So you need to work there and you need to manage this diversity as well. You need to hire these people. The government says that. All right. So this is called deep level diversity. Right. So why managing workplace diversity is so important? Because a good manager is he completed the work done with the people, through the people, by the people, with efficiency and effectiveness. So it means you need to manage the people first, and then when you manage the people, they will work hard for organizational performance. And when organizational performance is done, which is your 1 year performance, is short-term performance, it will help you to achieve your long-term performance as well. All right. So we are ending our discussion here on this topic of benefits of workforce diversity. So people management. So you use best talent. If the best talent is a woman, just hire him. Right? If a creativity suits to the women, just hire a woman. If she is good in problem solving, hire it. Right? Ability to attract and retain employees for diverse background. It will help you to maintain diversity. If you hire that person who is coming from that organization over there, they have diverse workforce. You are hiring him, and then he would be better adjusted to your organization. Similarly, organization performance, it reduces cost, high turnover, it reduces absenteeism, lawsuits, enhance problem solving ability, improve systems flexibility. Strategic means increased understanding of marketplace, which improves ability to better market to diverse consumers, potential to improve sales growth and increase market share. So you see, if these two are fulfilled, it automatically fulfills the strategic goals, which means the right thing to do. So why organizations are created and their goals are long-term goals. They want to be good in high quality products in home appliances or something. So if their 1 year goal is completed, automatically there it will help you to achieve their long-term goals. So remember, people management is very important and it comes through managing diversity. All right. So from next class, we will be talking about the challenges of the workplace and we will see the case study of US population. All right. So till now, any question?
No.
Okay. Then I would be uploading an assignment. Okay, and the due date is next week. So kindly solve the assignment. And I will be uploading the solution for assignment one. Okay, so that you can compare. And if you still have any problem, so you can just message me in my WeChat group, or you can just personal message me on my WeChat ID. I would be happy to answer. All right. So see you next week. Until then, take care. See you. Bye bye.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.
See
Thank
you.
you.